everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to dive into the one of the most important operation in data analysis, merging a dataset using a Python Pandas. You will often find yourself working with the multiple tables, and learning how to combine them effectively is a key to successful data analysis. By the end of this video, you will understand the differences between a inner, left, right and outer join using Pandas merge function. We will cover everything step by step. So if you are new to data merging, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First, we will take a moment to understand the concept of joins using a diagram to visualize how data from two tables can be combined based on common key. Once we have covered the basic, we will move to Jupyter Notebook and perform this merge operation using pandas to see the result in action. An inner join returns only the rows where there is a match in both the tables. Here we can see that while performing inner joins, pandas to only keep the rows where the values of department ID exist in the both the tables. Any employee that don't have a department ID in the other table are excluded. Similarly, any department that doesn't have employees will also be excluded. A left join returns all the rows from the left table, in our case employee table, and matching rows from the right table, which is department table. If there is a no match, then the result will have a null values for the right table. A right join returns all the rows from the right table, which is a department table, and the matching rows from the left table, which is employee table. If no match exists, you will see null value for column from the left table. In an outer join, you get all the data from both the tables, whether there is a match or not. If an employee doesn't belong to any department or department has no employees, those will still be a part of the final result, with a null filling in for missing data. Let's move to our Jupyter Notebook. First, we will begin by importing Pandas, the powerful data manipulation library in Python. For this video, we will work with two CSV files, the employees and departments table. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, where we covered how to import CSV file into Pandas data frame, make sure to check it out using the link in the description below. I have also shared the practice dataset link so you can download the same file and follow along. Now let's move on importing our two tables and get started with the operations. Our first operation is inner join. Let's make it as heading, add some rows, and let's write we are performing inner join between two tables. Pandas automatically identify the common column, which is a department ID, because it has the same name in both the tables. so we didn't need to explicitly specify the on parameter. Departments, comma, how, inner means it will perform inner join. Run it. Here we can see the result. Whichever columns are common in both the tables, we will get it. Here in department table, department ID 4, which is not available in employee table, so we will not get it in our result. Our next operation is left join. Just copy our previous code, paste it. Instead of inner, write left. It will give us everything available in a left join. Left table, I think. Our left table is employee table, so we will get everything available in employee table. Department ID 4 is available in department table, but we will not get it. Let's perform our next operation. Which is right join. Instead of inner, we have to write right. Right join to include all the rows from the department tables. Any department without employee will appear with none value for the employee information. Here we can see this department ID 4, which is available in department table but not available in employee table. Our result will include department ID 4 also. Let's perform next operation, which is the outer join. Outer join returns all the rows from both the tables. If an employee doesn't belong to any department, or if a department has no employee, the missing information will be represented as a none value. Okay, here is our result. In this video, we explored how to merge dataset in pandas using different types of joins: inner join, left join, right and outer. We used two tables, employees and department, to demonstrate how you can combine data based on a common column, which in our case was department ID. One key point to remember is that when both the tables share a column with the same name, like our department ID, pandas automatically detects this is a perform the merge accordingly. However, if the column names differ, you will need to specify it. I encourage you to download the practice dataset from the link in the description and try this operation yourself in Jupyter Notebook. And if you haven't watched the first part where we covered CSV file imports, the link is available below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials on data analysis and Python programming. Thanks for watching.